I'm going to put some seed in a spreader. I happen to have a spreader here that typically when you have a spreader, there's some settings that you can set either by that. A lot of times it talks about what kind of seed you're going to seed, and it will give you a little setting here. So that's what we're going to do. Always when you do that, I would encourage you, since you're gonna want to go one way first and then the other way, that whatever that setting is, take it and maybe back it off by about a half, because you're going to make 2 passes. In other words, if the setting says to put it on number 8, well, I'd probably go with number 4 and do it twice, but I'd know how much seed I had by the square area and know that I want to apply that. Otherwise, you might run out of your seed before you can make that second pass. Quick way to figure out how many square feet, you simply take the length times the width, and with a lawn like this, I can measure the length down the sidewalk, and I can measure 2 width if you will. I can measure the width of this part here that comes up from the driveway to the walkway, and then I got another little section here, and I can measure those and add that together and come up with roughly about what I'd need. When you go to buy your seed, always make sure that you get extra, because it's all sorts of things you can't predict. The weather might be horrible in the next 5 days, and I actually might have a complete washout. We're going to try to protect from that, but always buy some more, so that way if you just need to touch up some, you got it on hand.